Alright, what I got here today, a little quick video, won't take very long. I needed a new charging cable because I bought a couple and they didn't last but a couple of weeks. So this time I splurged and got a little better quality cable. Instead of getting it at the gas station, I got it at Amazon. This was about $12 for Prime, and it's supposed to be a fast charging cable. I don't know if it's faster or not, but I do know that the cable is pure copper, and so it's supposed to have about 95% efficiency, and it's supposed to charge about 30% faster. I have noticed that the other day I ran my phone till it was completely dead. It did turn on a lot quicker with this charger, but I can't tell you, X percentage or whatnot. But what I do like about it, and I can tell you, is that this one's rubber on the outside. The cable's a lot thicker than some of the cables that I've been buying that were cheaper. So it's not getting as caught up and tangled up in our outlets. I've got two house current outlets with USB plugs. I got them on either side of the sofa, and they're generally got cables plugged out of them. And with the laptop and then the phone and then the e-pad, tends to stuff all get jumbled up. This one doesn't get jumbled up as much. So it's only a meter long. So I wish it was a little bit longer. But for $11, the higher quality cable, it seems to work pretty good.